Bro, he's fucking with the shotgun there. If you go there, you're gonna get one tap, bro. Oh, thanks for knocking him. Let me get his loot. Bro, shut the fuck up. Bro, if this guy lands on me and kill us all, bro, I swear to God.
Your teammate has been killed.
Bro, he's landing on me.
Supply box here.
Come. Bro, if the zone should not kill you. Just run away, man.
Major instability detected. Evac to safe zone.
Shut up, you piece of fucking Zara with your piece of fucking shot. Bro, I'm gonna even use 2 shotguns. I'm the baddest guy on it. I'm using 2 shotguns on this motherfucker.
The airdrop is coming.
Supply drop incoming. Only two getting close to victory.
Okay, watch how we clutch this shit, man. Oh, that guy is up there.
Been killed. Airdrop
Oh, he's up there.
The airdrop is coming.
inbound.
Oh my god, bro. Fucking Arab noob. Bro, allow him to come down. He's just camping there. He's gonna die, you piece of Arab noob. He was just waiting for me on that fucking stairs. Come down and kill him. Yeah, I heard me. You're gonna die. You're not gonna win this game, you motherfucker. Come down. Just come down with your balls, motherfucker. Hack this motherfucker. He's by your right, bro. I can hear him. Bro, kill him. 2 of you should go, bro. He's too cheap, bro. Piece of shit. Motherfucker.